In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your laptop's camera. So the first thing that you want to do is come down to the Start menu, which looks like the little window. Click on that, and then you're going to find Camera in all of your programs, and then click on that. Once the camera opens, you should be able to see yourself right here in this picture, and you just click the little button for the camera, smile, and snap. And then you can quit out of the camera program. And when you're done with that, you will find your picture in your Pictures folder. So you can get to it from the Start menu under Pictures right here. And if that is not here, you can come to Documents. But under the Pictures folder, you'll find pictures over here on the left-hand side. It'll be in your camera roll. So you can find your little selfies in there. If you come to the Windows icon here and you don't see pictures, you can come to Documents right here. What you're looking for is your Pictures folder. So it may be under Quick Access, but you can also just click on this PC right here. And when you click on this PC, Pictures will be at the top. So you would double click on Pictures and you're looking for Camera Roll. And when you open up your camera roll, that's where you'll find all the pictures that you took with your camera. And that is how you use your camera on your laptop.